Hello everyone. Clean your lint traps. Hey, this is Andy with Airhead Box of Spirit. Now I clean my lint trap screen religiously. I use a vacuum cleaner. But I noticed that quite a little bit of lint bypasses and somehow gets around that filter. So with this neat little tool, I can reach down in there and grab some lint. I tried using this drain clogging device here, but that didn't really work well. So with this guy, you just insert him, and there's a little spring-loaded device on the other end here, and it opens these little claws that actually grab the lint quite nicely. So you move that little slot out of the way there, and then insert, then pinch and release and pull it out. And this is what you'll get. There's obviously various other ways to doing this, and this is more of a kind of like a temporary fix, I guess. I have in the past taken my entire dryer apart and then cleaned the trap that way. You can certainly use a vacuum cleaner and a hose to get in there, which is something I actually ended up doing after that. I first got the big pieces out, and then I inserted a smaller hose attached to my vacuum cleaner and ran it down in there, and that worked pretty well as well.
I'm thinking this might be something that you may want to do as a maybe an annual routine. I don't know. Just a thought. Nope. Thanks for listening.
Yeah, please give me a like if you liked what you saw here. In the end, I also ended up using a somewhat thin hose and attached to my vacuum cleaner and just sort of shoved it down in there and, try to get any more of the lint that I could possibly get. I suppose this could be a fire hazard, so it might be a good idea just to do this. So, hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you at the next video.